Select your character. Hakumen.
I hope you know what it means.
Shall we begin with this pitiful operatic?
Before me.
The wheel of fate is turning. Rebel 1. Action. Counter. Hakumen wins. Rebel 2. Action. Hakumen wins.
So, you have chosen to fight alongside this child, Nirvana? Perhaps you are right. No one need know your true purpose. Best you do as milady says. At last, the observer comes forward.
The wheel of fate is turning. Rebel 1. Action. Hakumen wins. Rebel 2. Action. Hakumen wins.
now. Place your hand on your chest. I will judge your crime.
The wheel of fate is turning. Zero, one, action.
Disappear!
Hakumen wins. Zero, two, action. Hakumen wins.
When a human is granted the power to judge, a power given only to the gods, they then become one of the wings of justice. But the price is eternal suffering and sin.
Are you lost, Mr. Hero? I am rather offended that you would make me, of all people, wait.
Then it was you who summoned me.
Indeed it was. I have further need of your heroism. There are certain things you must accomplish, or my schedule will be all out of order.
Your clever words do you little credit. You have summoned me. What is it you would have me do? Is it Terami that concerns you?
Intelligence. How refreshing. Unfortunately, it seems we have an unwanted guest. Please, entertain him.
Hakumen, what are you doing here? Kokonoi told me.
Damn it, Hakumen! I told you to stay out of my way! Shit! The interference! This has all gone to shit! Tager, hurry up and capture that idiot! I won it yesterday!
You heard the lady.
Taking care of a cat is a taxing responsibility. Are you sure you are up to the task?
I had hoped it wouldn't come to this.
The wheel of fate is turning. Zero, one, action. Hakumen wins. Zero, two, action.
said nothing about power of this magnitude.
Grimalkin, your red devil. I know what you seek, but I see no justice in your heart. Without justice, how can you succeed?
Akumen, you bastard!
You are one of the 6 heroes. I would love to see your strength. First pass!
The wheel of fate is turning. Regal, 1, action. Hakumen, win. Regal, 2, action.
Right through you! I can hardly wait.
Hakumen, win.
So you haven't changed at all. I advise you to use that power to its fullest extent. Remnants of ages past. Intriguing.
The wheel of fate is turning. Regal, 1, action.
How boring.
Hakumen, win. Regal, 2, action. Hakumen, win. Opposite is turning. Rigo, 1, action. Distortion finish. Hackleman win. Rigo, 2, action. Hackleman win.
So, you cannot identify you through logic alone. This is what you call destiny, girl. Accept it. What? Who the hell are you? I did not expect our paths to cross. But perhaps this causality cannot be denied. I must quicken my pace. What is this sensation? Feels odd. Coarse. Who the hell are you? I am Hakumen. Hakumen? Hakumen, one of the 6 heroes? Impossible! Spare me your lies! Meet me with your sword in hand, Shin Kisaragi, and you will understand. How do you know my name?
The wheel of fate is turning. Rigo, 1, action.
Ready?
Distortion finish.
You don't fight.
Hackleman win. Rigo, 2, action.
Ready? Ready? What's wrong? Ready? No! How could I? You think me so weak that an injured man could best me? I suggest you heal your wounds and try again. You.
You son of a bitch. So, you're still alive.
Out of my way, Dark One. I have no time to waste on you.
What did you say? Whatever, asshole. I got my own stuff to take care of, and you're the one who's in my way.
Then you are after Terumi as well. Turn around and leave. You will never defeat him. You cannot.
God damn it, you're all the same. Just let me handle my shit, okay? How do you know I can't off the guy if I haven't even tried? I kicked your ass once, buddy. I'll do it again.
Times have changed. I have changed. However, I somehow doubt that will sway you.
You got that right, you freak. Come on, let's go.
The wheel of fate is turning. Legal. One. Action.
Not yet.
Hackman wins. Legal. Two. Action.
Dick. I can still fight.
You needn't worry, Dark One. We will settle our score, but not today.
Ah, yes. I've been waiting for you.
Terumi, where is Noel Vermillion?
Hey! I go by Hazama now. All right. Come on. As for little Miss Noel, she's right over there. And we both know your next question, but isn't it a little pointless?
Terumi, do you understand what it is you would awaken here?
Ha! Oh, I know exactly what I'm doing. As a matter of fact, I'm counting on it. So, what's your next question? The color of the sky? The noise a dog makes?
To temper Murakumo is to awaken the Black Beast. You, of all people, should know the terror that monster is capable of. Why?
Oh, man, enough with the questions, all right? You think I haven't thought of that? I think of everything. You and that vampire keep your little schemes to yourselves.
You have made your position clear. You cannot be saved. I am the White Void. I am the Cold Steel. I am the Just Sword.
Ooh, I really can't have you spoiling things later on. I guess I just have to take this baby for a spin. Restriction 666 released. Dimensional interface force field deployed.
As I suspected, I see now why the vampire chose me.
Let me show you what power means. Code SOL. Blaze blue. Activate.
It was you then. You created the Azure Grimoire.
What of it, H-Man? You're about to die.
The wheel of fate is turning. Zero, one, action. Hackman win. Zero, two, action.
You've learned how to drive the Susanoo unit pretty well, huh?
Why do you seek to resurrect the Black Beast?
The Black Beast? What the hell would I want with that failed experiment?
A failure? Nonsense.
You don't get it, do you? The Black Beast was a failed test. The Black Beast was just a cauldron gone haywire. Don't you remember what a bitch it was to beat that thing? It took over 10 years, and half the world got consumed.
Cauldron? What are you saying?
What am I? The cauldron! I'm talking about the cauldron! The cauldron's the grimoire's original form. It gathers souls to smelt the sword inside its body. That was our little pet, the beast.
Impossible.
Come on! You gonna pay attention or not? The Murakumo unit is incomplete. It needs the power of the grimoire. The 13th sample wouldn't shut up about it. Remember? But this one's different. This thing embodies the true Azure. Now, Murakumo, activate! This whole world is nothing but lies. Lies! Let me show you what I like to call the truth. The truth called despair. In the name of Susanoo, I command you, Murakumo, awaken! Behold the sword of the Godslayer, Kusanagi! Let all lies fall before your divine blade! Finally, I've got the true successor to the Azure. Try and stop me now, Master Unit. Amaterasu!
I've observed it! A completely new possibility. Now let me see you struggle. Dance for me, little puppets. Show me all of the possibilities occurring in this continuum shift. The source of distortion.
The white Susanoo. The wheel of fate is turning.
Fine, boss.
Zero,
You
one,
drove!
action. Aquaman Blue.
Oh shit! How come at you?
Two. Action.
Oh shit!
Aquaman Blue.